Mitsubishi isn't giving the 2019 Outlander PHEV a very in-depth visual makeover, but rather, a simple yet effective set of changes that keep the three-row crossover from looking stale. The front receives most of the updates, with the grille taking on a slightly different shape, a bolder slid plate along front bumper's lower edge, the headlights going LED, and the fog lights getting new rectangular bezels that connect to the vertical accents under the headlights. New 18-inch alloy wheels with a more elaborate two-tone design are the only changes to the Outlander PHEV sides. Around back, the rear spoiler over the tailgate is now larger, likely for aerodynamic reasons. Inside, the 2019 Outlander PHEV now has higher quality leather seating, redesigned front buckets with thicker bolsters, reworked buttons on the dash, a new gauge cluster, new trim panels, and new HVAC vents for the rear passengers. Mitsubishi has not released images of the new interior, so we'll have to wait until the Geneva Motor Show for our first official look. Still, we don't expect massive changes to things like the 2+3+2 seating arrangement. While the body and interior have relatively minimal changes, the drivetrain of the 2019 Mitsubishi Outlander PHEV has been deeply updated. The old 2.0-liter four-cylinder with its auto combustion cycle is replaced by a new 2.4-liter four-cylinder with the fuel-sipping Atkinson combustion cycle. The Atkinson-cycle keeps the intake valves open as each piston begins its compression stroke. This helps lower the compression ratio and therefore requires less fuel. In addition to the gasoline powertrain update, the battery and electric motors are now larger and will deliver more range than the outgoing Outlander PHEV's 22-mile range. The battery capacity grows by 15%, growing from 12 kilowatts-hour to 13.8. This should also mean more time in EV mode before the gasoline engine kicks on in response to power demands. Charging should also be improved, too. The outgoing model could achieve an 80% charge in just 25 minutes at a DC fast charging station. On a 240-volt system, the 2018 Outlander PHEV would reach a full change in less than 4 hours. Even on a conventional 120-volt plug, a full charge was possible in less than 8 hours.